Today I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a password-protected page in WordPress the easiest way for 2026. Let's jump in. I'm on the WordPress login screen, so I'll type my username and password and click Login. The dashboard loads. Now I go to Pages in the left sidebar and click All Pages. All Pages opens. I find the page I need. This one's called Client Resources, and it has a protected badge next to the title. I click Edit under it. The block editor opens. Notice I did not enter the page password first, and I did not temporarily make the page public. The password is for visitors viewing the published page, not for editing from the dashboard. Before touching anything, I check the right sidebar. Under Page Settings, I open Status and Visibility. I want to see Password Protected selected. If it reads Public, the page is open to everyone, so that is the first thing I fix. I click Password Protected. The password field appears and it's already filled in. This is the password visitors will type to see the page. Now I edit the content. I click into the title at the top where it says Client Resources. I change it to Client Resource Center, and I keep the title descriptive so it stays easy to find in all pages later. Next, I click into the paragraph that says Welcome to our private resource page. I update that to Welcome to our updated private resource center. The block shows the new wording instantly. I'll add a file now. I click the plus button at the top left. The block inserter opens. I search for File, click the File block, and upload a PDF from my computer. I'll name the file Project Brief Updated. The upload finishes and the block shows a download button for visitors. This page also has an image I need to swap. I click the existing image. The toolbar shows Replace. I click Replace, choose Upload, and select the new image from my computer. It drops into the same spot. The page stays protected the whole time. There's a button lower down that says Download Report. I click the button block. I change the text to Download Updated Report. I'm leaving the link alone because it already points to the PDF I just uploaded. Now I'll change the page password. In the right sidebar, I go back to Status and Visibility. Inside the password protected field, I select the old password and type Client Portal 2026 in lowercase. Passwords are case sensitive, so Client Portal 2026 is different from Client Portal 2026. Once I click Update, the old password stops working. That means I need to notify anyone who had the old one. This is how you revoke access from someone who already knows the old password. Before I update, I check that Visibility still says Password Protected. I will not switch it to Private. Private limits the page to logged-in WordPress users with the right permissions, and normal visitors can't see it even with the password. Password Protected is the one you want for clients or customers who don't have WordPress accounts. I click Update in the upper right corner. The page saves and I see a notice that the page updated. Next, I click View Page. A new tab opens. Because I'm logged in as the admin, WordPress may not ask me for the password. That does not mean protection is broken, it just means my account can see it. To test as a visitor, I open a private browsing window, I paste the page URL and press Enter. Now I see the password form instead of content. It says this content is password protected. To view it, please enter your password below. The exact wording may vary by theme, but the form is the same. Passwords are case sensitive, so before I type Client Portal 2026, I make sure there are no capitals. I type it, click Enter, and the page loads with the new title, the updated paragraph, the new image, the button text, and the downloadable PDF. I click the file download once to make sure it opens. That confirms the content, the file, and the password are all live. Back in my normal browser, the page may open without asking for the password. That's a cookie from the old password, not a broken setting. I test in a private window to see what a first-time visitor sees. If you just changed the password and it doesn't work, check that you're using the new one and not the old one. Now I'll go back to the WordPress dashboard. In the right sidebar under Status and Visibility, the same password field is where I would set a new password if I forgot the old one. Since I'm the admin, I don't need the old password. I delete the field, type a new one, and click Update. One more thing I would not do. Use the page password as your WordPress login password. The page password only opens this one page, and mixing them is asking for trouble. Also, a shared page password is not real encryption or a membership system. WordPress will hide the content from search engines, but if this is sensitive client information, use a tool built for that instead of relying on a shared page password. If this got your protected page updated without removing the password, give it a like and subscribe for more WordPress fixes. And leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.